It was me, man. It was me.
It's a song. Oh, man. All right.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and we are here today in Old Town, Pasadena. I'm going to ask these people a few questions about the 90s baseball classic, A League of Their Own. All right, what are you guys' names and where are you from?
Sophia, and I'm from Pasadena.
My name is Mel, and I'm from Winnipeg, Canada.
Danielle.
Danielle, and where are you from, Danielle?
I'm from here. I'm from Los Angeles.
Janelle from Winnipeg, Canada also.
I'm Cameron. I'm from Seattle.
Sarah from Pasadena.
You seem to be a baseball guy.
Yeah. What gave it away?
You've seen the film A League of Their Own, if I'm not mistaken, correct?
A couple of times, yeah. It's been a while, but yeah.
Now, this is a film about an all-women's baseball league that was formed around World War II when they were concerned that all the men were off in World War II. People wanted baseball. The women formed a league of their own, if you will. I think Tom Hanks is in it. It's from the 80s, and Madonna's in it. Or I think it's like the 90s, early 90s or late 80s. Number one, which famous singer was featured in the movie? Was it A, Tina Turner, B, Whitney Houston, or C, Madonna?
See Madonna.
I wouldn't have seen it.
I'm gonna guess B.
Madonna. You just said it.
Answer the question. Okay, you get a freebie. That was your free. It's actually Madonna.
Oh, dang.
Fun fact, Madonna's casting was controversial and caused the movie's original lead actress to quit.
Oh, boy.
This one is a little tougher. What is the name of the real women's baseball league the movie is based on? Is it A, National Girls Baseball League, B, All-American Girls Professional Baseball League, or C, International Girls Baseball League?
E, just based on the song.
I have no idea. Don't ask.
I remember the song. I remember when they're singing in the locker room. I'm going to say, oh, wait, say that. Can you repeat the first two, please?
Well, I think B, but he thinks A.
So you guys have to agree on one.
I'll go with yours.
What if I'm wrong?
Maybe it's A.
Don't ask.
I'm gonna say A.
It's B.
You are correct. Yeah. How did you know? What gave that to you?
I recently watched A Secret Love on Netflix, which is about Terry Donahue, one who was a player in that league.
No way.
Yeah.
Hey, what? Wow. Okay. So there you go. You had it. It was me, man. It was me. It was me.
It's a song. Oh, man. All right.
The other two leagues were also real women's baseball leagues in the 1940s, but the AAGPBL was the biggest. This is a wise man because you knew to defer to the one who had seen the movie. How you guys feeling? Any pressure, any nerves?
I'm pumped. I mean, I'm feeling good.
I mean, obviously she's doing great.
Our final question is a health question sponsored by Dherbs. While teaching the actresses to slide into base for the movie, their coaches used a slip and slide, but they had to stop because it immediately began causing injuries. What injury did it cause? A, concussion, B, sprained ankle, or C, broken wrist?
Broken wrist. Because when you slide, you put your hand down and you can bend it. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, we can go with that.
Broken wrist.
Do you want to take a guess?
See? Maybe a sprained wrist because it's too fast into the base? Are you just... Oh, I don't know.
Going feet first, and then you're like whiplash back, right?
First.
Well, that would be my guess. My guess would be...
I have no idea. Sure, concussion.
Say concussion?
I'm going to say...
You guys are the first ones to get that one correct. It is concussion. It's actually concussion. It is actually concussion.
And I just had one of those.
You just got a concussion. So you recovered. You're good?
We're good now, yeah.
The
first three actresses to try doing the slip and slide all got concussions. Man, everybody was saying that the slide first with the wrists. Like,
That's what I was thinking, yeah.
No, not back then.
Oh, okay.
Because they slid with shorts, and that was the whole thing, that they cut up their knees and everything. I don't know. I really love that movie.
Okay.
Oh, you know what?
See, he knows.
Hi, I'm Danny,
I'm Cam.
and we just played the Street Smart Challenge.
By Thank You Dherbs.
Hi, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Sarah.
And we just played
Street Smarts.
by Dherbs.
Hi, this is Mel and Janelle from Winnipeg, Canada, and we want to thank Dherbs for allowing us to play Street Smarts.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.